The second one is social factors. You are the average of the people you spend time around. So if you are surrounded by people who eat differently, who are still eating lots of animal products and lots of junk food, if your close partner is doing this, if all the content you watch on social media is promoting recipes like this, it's going to be a lot harder for you to then adopt a healthy, whole food, say plant-based lifestyle, also for high carb, until you change these social factors. I had to change my online social influences because I physically just couldn't change the people I was around, my housemates. I couldn't change the friends that I had already developed in university when I first started this. So I changed my online social influences and only absorbed content from people that I wanted to imitate.